Hi everyone, good evening. I hope everyone is fine. I am here really excited about the summer, the season we have, and everything else. So, I'm going to sing for you one song. Stay tuned, and if you know the song, just join me. I'm not a real good singer, but I'm gonna try. So, let's go ahead. Sing the song. Give it to all, you cannot get the mondo, to my segera. I can't always get another. I know I couldn't more. Mondo, what's where you could you know what did it going get? I can't but stand a road. Now I could okay there. Mira there on I know it all. And the mondo, you will carry out. Ngoro yakwegia mwihoko warutigane gwokwere ndenyorere na thayo naye handike tondethire ũkĩandĩkawe mũrĩhe igatiwe Ngai igatiwe Jesũ igatiwe Roe igatiwe Ngatho marutire wĩra ũyũ. wadhaniwa tumile ngoro yako ege mwiyoko Narutira gwogwe Yanzure na dayo Hana haneke toya diye Mokende kane morele Nida chiwe ngai Nida chiwe jeso Nida chiwe oi Nida chiwe lanko Marutira wiroyo Gora ya kwege muyoko Warutira gwogwe Yanzure na dayo Hana haneke toya diye Mokende kane morele Nida chiwe ngai Nida chiwe jeso Nida chiwe oi Nida chiwe lanko Marutira wiroyo. Thanks for watching.